All right, so you want to learn programming? That's awesome. But let me tell you something. There's a right way and a completely wrong way to do it. And today I'm going to show you the wrong way so you don't waste months making these mistakes. Let's go. So mistake number one, watching tutorials nonstop. We've all been there. You sit down, open YouTube, and think, all right, I'll watch a couple of tutorials, then I'll be a pro. But guess what? Watching tutorials doesn't make you a programmer. Just like watching cooking videos all day won't make you a chef. You actually need to write code. If you only watch and never practice, you're just tricking yourself into thinking you're learning. So here's the 80-20 rule. Spend 20% of your time watching tutorials and 80% actually coding. Trust me, nothing beats hands-on practice. Now, mistake number two, copy-pasting code without understanding it. We all love Stack Overflow, right? But here's the thing. If you just copy-paste code without knowing how it works, you're basically flying blind. You might get it to work, but the moment something breaks, you'll have zero idea how to fix it. A good rule of thumb? If you copy-paste something, take a minute and explain it to yourself. If you can't, you don't understand it. Simple as that. Moving on to mistake number three, jumping between programming languages like they're Pokemon cards. One day you're learning Python, the next day JavaScript, then you think, hey, Rust looks cool. Stop. Right. There. Learning multiple languages at once will just confuse you. Pick one language, master the fundamentals, and then, only then, move on to another one. Python, JavaScript, Java. Just pick one and stick with it for at least 6 months. Otherwise, you'll just end up knowing a little bit of everything, but not enough to actually build something. So to recap, do write code instead of just watching videos. Do understand what your code does before using it. Do stick with one language before jumping to another. If you've made any of these mistakes before, don't worry, we all have. The important thing is to recognize them and adjust. Now tell me in the comments, what's the worst programming mistake you've ever made? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more coding content. Happy coding!